Na chinga kia yuha gendreti gachi skuru chiaba chigo korabia gati yawe Elimu Academy gachi skuru chiaba chigo korabia asama temu ayuna Green Valley uno mulikeito demo Steven agotomanyao.
Rituko riaganyire muno na baibuli na boru kigubekera sikia gatano na gatatu omwaka wa 2021 ndero riaikerana. Etaro yaitugo ikase skuru yoboroso ya Elimu Academy nigo yanyoro mochengo monene oyoreta maboroki wa ubakolibuya abaiboli babo n'abalimu.
Itwabwata abana 73 bakora amatemu aya. Asa abana ba 73 abana 16 banyora 400 and above. Bali banyora max ise ya 350 mbabiri.
My name is Gloria Biaki. I got a 392 and I'm happy because I've passed, and I want to thank my teachers for everything, the management and all the support they've given me, and the school that I want to go is the Kenya High. I'm hoping to go there.
Na gokeire muno skuru ya Elimu Academy aso mwana one na ncharinga gosoma egento na gokeire nkiri na ki nga amatemu aya abana bakorire buya muno.
Ase Elimu omoroki gwo mutangani niganyora Max Chimenye 15 nemo Oduor Jeff abwa ase skuru yanyore Minsko ya Max 386.
I'm Nimro Dongaki. I had the 408 marks. All thanks goes to the Lord for giving us what a wonderful mark, and we thank Him for that. We want to thank our teachers, our fraternity, and also our fellow students for giving us the support that we need throughout the entire time that we're in school. I would like to go to the Alliance High, and later onwards after completion I will become a pilot.
My name is Zila Mwango Nyareko, and I did class 8 from Elimu Academy and scored 398. I hope to go to Mary Hills Girls, and I thank God for what I scored because I worked towards it.
Goika ase skuru ya Green Valley Academy niga wabwata nibe skuru eju bagokero konyora kwa bana babo aso motanga ni abwata Max Chimenye 12.
Ambazo alama tumeona ya kwamba baada ya kutuma rafa tumeona mtoto wa kwanza akiwa na alama 412, alama wale ambao wana alama zaidi ya 400 tumepata wanafunzi 6.
Nigege taseni kia Ndizi TV gekobaganiria mayaboro kyugubonsi ba KCPE 2021 na kubasaba bagendere no muki asichi skuru che secondary barasoe. Kuripoti taseni kia Ndizi TV ile Italiane Ndemo Steven.